the community health centers has really been a savior during this time of COVID for healthcare. We must make sure that we fund them and I say expand their services. In addition to that, I know for a fact mental health must be addressed in social justice and gun violence and healthcare. And I'll give you a couple examples. We all saw that horrific example of this man who was having a psychotic episode. He was totally nude, screaming and hollering in the middle of the street. And the only response he got was police who put a bag over his head. And we've seen other cases where people have been shot running away that, you know, if someone was trained properly, we must mandate that our police, I'm not defunding them. I do not embrace that. I was a mayor. I know when someone dials 911, we want someone to respond to help them. And so I want clearly that we have trained, professional, and accountable police departments in America. And we need to have a system, just like you call 911, when someone is in danger. We need a system that we can call for a trained mental health responder. We need to understand, I had a town hall on mental health, and one of the psychiatrists had a shirt on that was on the panel. I go to church, I believe in God, and I see my therapist. Because in the African American community, it's like, girl, you just need to pray, or you need to talk to Jesus, or just go chill out for a minute. But if someone said they have chest pain, they say, go to the doctor. You know, if you're diabetic, did you take your medicine? Why do we just put such a negative stigma on healthcare, on mental health? And we are going to have to step it up, because there's too many people in prison now who were not criminals, but mentally ill. We see gun violence, and you see the parents saying, something was wrong. I asked for help and no one helped me. I knew he had a problem. And so that mental health piece is going to be something I'm really going to zero in on.
You can find more at onedetroitpbs.org or subscribe to our social media channels and sign up for our One Detroit newsletter.